All right, Modoc Middle School, we're making our smoothie we talked about in our Google Meet. So we got some spinach in it. What else we got in it?
Pineapple, strawberry.
Oh, bananas.
Banana, yeah.
Should we put some of this in it, buddy? Some apple cider vinegar. It might add a little spice. No? All right, I don't blame you. All right, go ahead, press the button. I'll press that one. Press that one. Up. We'd already put some in already because my son doesn't like the ginger root, which I'm gonna throw in a moment. Not too much, a little bit, add a little bit. And ginger root is good for digestion apparently, which as you get older, digestive issues. So Evan's gonna try it out.
I'm not gonna try the ginger.
You don't wanna try the ginger? All right, you don't have to try the ginger, but let's put some of this smoothie in here. Banana, strawberries. Oh, we forgot the banana, strawberry, spinach. Why did I take that off like that? That was weird. Banana, strawberry, spinach. What else in it?
Banana, strawberry, spinach, protein.
Oh yeah, protein powder. I forgot about the protein powder. Gotta add some protein, not all those carbs. Here you go. Well, no. You know how they do in the TV shows after they try, they go, ah, so good. Try it again, ready? Wait. Look at the camera. Try it.
Ah, so good.
You're my boy. Let me try it. Let me see if I can do the video on how they do it on TV. Here we go. Delicious. What if somebody actually like, what if they were like, oh, that's gross. Would that be funny if they did that? And they spit it out. Anyway, Mona, I'm looking forward to continue our Modoc Middle School. I'm looking forward to continue our partnership to help you make better choice, live better life, and choose well.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.